Rich people won't tell you, but I will. You will never get rich on salary alone. Inflation steals your wealth, so make sure you're investing. Buy assets, not liabilities. Never spend more than you make. Always pay yourself first. Compound interest is the ultimate key.
I always know when something really great is about to happen in my career because those great things always happen right after I pursue something and it doesn't work out. I have realized how rejection has been so wonderful for me in my career. I want you to get excited about your most recent rejection or disappointment. Here's 3 questions to ask yourself. Number 1, what am I being protected from? Maybe that company wasn't a good fit. Maybe that manager style was not going to work out for you. Maybe you did need to get that promotion because you wouldn't have made much more money than you are making now and you deserve more. Am I playing small? Are you pursuing something that's smaller than what you really want because what you really want you feel like it's going to be too much work or it's impossible or you don't have what it takes? All lies, play big. Am I controlling? If you're like me, you want to know what's coming next. You try to plan everything out, but guess what? You ain't always in control. You don't know. You don't know when your time is coming, but the more rejection you experience, the closer you are.